Let's talk about FPV drones. So FPV drones is a place that you can build very cool things based on the community. You can ask the community what you really getting into. So basically, FPV drones divided by, I don't know, 2 or 3 types. First is cinewhoop and freestyle, and then long ranger or racing drones. Yeah, they're basically like 4 types. So cinewhoops is a drone that you can build to shot an epic cinematic footage out of it. And then a cinewhoop basically consists of uh, 2 sizes, as I know. It's like 2.5 inch and 3.5 inches. And then the freestyle drones is when you went and fly and shot an epic footages, like crazy shot, crazy angle, and doing some crazy tricks. Hence the names FPV drones. And then the third one is a long ranger. A long ranger is a drone basically built like on really huge frames, like 7 inches, 10 inches, or even more than that, or 13 inches. I've heard someone build an FPV drones, long range drones, up to 17 inches in China, bro. Like, that is fucking insane. Wait. We got some aviation going on here. Unfortunately, I think it's illegal to fly FPV drones here because it's really near an airport around here. As you can see, that it's on the sub 100 meters. My FPV drones, my full-fledged FPV drones will easily goes up there and hit the fucking planes, bro. Hit the fucking freaking planes. Unfortunately, I think it's so prohibited to fly an FPV drones here. See that? Nabbies. And then let's talk about what we were last talking about. Oh yes, long rangers. Long rangers are typically an FPV drone that you build to hike mountains or go so far, and with specialized goggles and specialized antenna. It goes up to tens or thousands kilometers above the sky. And then the last but not least, is FPV racing drones. I can see my face right here, bro. It's so bright right here. It's like, I don't know, 4-5 p.m. but still freaking bright. Okay, last but not least is FPV racing drones. FPV racing drones is a part where the community racing one another to compete, getting to the fastest, going through the obstacles and some tracks, predefined tracks that it's basically racing on the clock. Okay, I think it's getting so bright right now, bro. I think that's it. It's 4 minutes and 27. 4 minutes and 30 seconds already. I think that's wrapped up this video. It's it's freaking nonsense, but thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one. So peaceful around here, bro.